Ever dreamed of capturing breathtaking aerial footage without spending thousands on professional equipment? The E88 Pro Max drone with 4K dual cameras puts cinema-quality aerial photography right in your hands. This sophisticated flying camera features advanced 4K dual cameras that switch between angles mid-flight, capturing stunning perspectives professionals charge hundreds for. The visual remote control with display screen shows exactly what your drone sees in real time. 2 batteries included means double the flight time and footage. The brushless motor delivers whisper-quiet operation while obstacle avoidance protects from crashes. LED lights ensure visibility during sunset flights, and the foldable design fits in your backpack for hiking, vacations, or spontaneous adventures. Whether you're a content creator adding professional aerial shots to your portfolio, a real estate agent showcasing properties from stunning angles, or someone capturing life's precious moments from new perspectives, this drone transforms ordinary experiences into extraordinary memories. Ready to turn the sky into your photography studio? The link is in the description and comments below.